I couldn't lift my arm above my head for 6 months until I tried this at 57. My right shoulder hurt so badly, I couldn't sleep on that side anymore. Putting on a jacket was agony, reaching for something on a high shelf was impossible, and the pain radiated down my arm constantly. My doctor said it was rotator cuff inflammation, gave me anti-inflammatory medication, and suggested physical therapy if it didn't improve. The pills helped slightly, but the pain always came back. I was facing the possibility of cortisone shots or even surgery. Then my neighbor, a retired physical therapist, watched me struggling to get something from my car trunk and said she could teach me 5 exercises that would fix this in weeks, not months. I was skeptical because I tried stretching before and it made things worse. But she explained I'd been doing the wrong movements. She was right. Within 3 weeks, my pain decreased by half, and within 8 weeks, I had full range of motion back. These 5 exercises take 5 minutes total and target the exact problem almost nobody understands about shoulder pain. Shoulder pain affects over 18 million Americans according to the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons. After 50, rotator cuff issues become extremely common because the tendons naturally degenerate with age and repetitive use. Most people think shoulder pain means you should rest completely and avoid movement. That's actually the worst thing you can do. Your shoulder is a ball and socket joint held together by 4 small muscles called the rotator cuff. When these muscles become weak or imbalanced, the ball doesn't sit properly and the socket and tendons get pinched with every movement. This causes inflammation and pain that gets progressively worse if you don't address it. Here's what changed everything for me: specific strengthening exercises that target the weak rotator cuff muscles, not just stretching. Research published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that strengthening exercises were more effective than stretching alone for rotator cuff pain, with 70% of participants showing significant improvement after 8 weeks. Let me walk you through the exact 5 exercises that fixed my shoulder and why each one works. First exercise, pendulum swings. This one seems too simple to be effective, but it's crucial for the first stage of healing. Stand and lean forward, supporting yourself with your good arm on a table or chair. Let your painful arm hang straight down, completely relaxed. Gently swing it in small circles, clockwise for 10 circles, then counterclockwise for 10 circles. Then swing it forward and back 10 times, then side to side 10 times. This exercise works because it uses gravity to gently decompress your shoulder joint without using muscles. The movement increases blood flow to the area, which brings nutrients and removes inflammatory waste products. A study in Physical Therapy Journal found that pendulum exercises significantly reduce pain and improve range of motion in the early stages of rotator cuff injury. Do this twice daily, morning and evening, for the first week, especially if your shoulder is very painful. Second exercise, wall slides. Stand facing a wall, place both palms flat against the wall at chest height. Slowly slide your hands up the wall as high as you can go without pain, then slide them back down. Repeat 10 times. The key here is slow, controlled movement and stopping before you feel sharp pain. Some discomfort is okay. Sharp pain means stop. This exercise restores your shoulder's upward range of motion safely. The wall provides support and prevents you from using momentum or compensating with other muscles. Research in the Journal of Shoulder and Elbow Surgery showed that wall slides activate the rotator cuff muscles in a balanced way that promotes healing rather than further injury. I did this exercise twice daily, and within 2 weeks, I could reach 6 inches higher than when I started. Third exercise, external rotation with resistance band. This is where the real strengthening begins. Get a resistance band, light or medium resistance to start. Stand with your right elbow bent at 90 degrees, tucked firmly against your side. Hold the resistance band in your right hand with the other end anchored to a doorknob or held in your left hand. Keeping your elbow glued to your side, rotate your forearm outward away from your body against the resistance. Return slowly to starting position. Do 15 repetitions. This exercise specifically targets the infraspinatus and teres minor, 2 of the 4 rotator cuff muscles that are commonly weak and cause shoulder pain. A landmark study in the American Journal of Sports Medicine found that external rotation strengthening was the single most effective exercise for rotator cuff rehabilitation.